Water lock on it?
Yeah. How's everybody doing? Captain 26 here, and guess what? I am in Tokyo, which so happens to be my favorite city in the world. Got about a 6-hour layover. I'm flying from Okinawa to San Antonio for some training for my job, so I figured I might as well get out of the airport and go check some stuff out. So I decided to go to Odaiba. There's the Toyota Museum slash engineering factory, if you will. So last time I was here, they had the new SUPRA, the FT-1. So I'm gonna swing by, check it out, and see if they have anything. So stay tuned. All the Gundam Wing fans out there. Check that out. The circus over here. What is it called? Curios? Cabinet of the Curiosities. I bet it's cool. Well, we don't have enough time, so we're gonna keep moving along. So this is actually a history garage. So there's a bunch of old cars here, old Japanese cars, so we can walk through it. There's an old Datsun truck, that's cool. Pre-Nissan days. There's some American muscle. A Mustang convertible. It's like a Bond car. No, this is Austin Powers' car.
Yeah. I was to say, I was like, wait a minute.
Oh, is this a Toyota 2000? Check that out. Yeah, Toyota 2000 GT. As you can see, please keep hands off. So we're gonna respect it and not gonna touch it. Wonder how much this car is worth. It's an old Mazda, that's pretty cool. Check it out. Same year and everything. I like that sign, Toyota.
Oh, it's got a D.
Yeah. So here in Tokyo, you've got Toyota GT86 cop cars everywhere. Psych, I haven't seen one of these on the road. We're now at the Tokyo Toyota Motor City Showcase. That's all the stuff that Toyota has in the works. Check this out, Toyota FV2. Things are awesome. I feel like the wheels are a little over the top. I don't know what they actually do. Toyota fuel cell. So these are what the cars of the future look like. I don't know how I feel though. Like, if they can put down good power, I wouldn't be mad. But if they put around, I don't know if I'm down for the future. I think she's getting drift lessons. Show these people how to drive the FT-1. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. But everybody's hoping to be the new SUPRA. So this is the FT-1. Absolutely stunning in person. We'll do a full walk around. Almost reminds me of a Dodge Viper. One can only hope that the new SUPRA will come out something like this, but we all know how concept cars are. Concept always comes out super awesome looking, and then the manufacturer decides to dumb it down. But look at that hood, that is badass. So I pretty much came all the way out here just to see this car, and I think it was definitely worth the trip. Check out that interior. And it is left-hand drive. Curious to why it's left-hand drive. Maybe it's going to be sold in the States, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I'm really excited to see if this turns into anything that Toyota will actually put out on the line and sell at dealerships. And hopefully if they do, the body design stays a little similar to this and they don't put a crazy price tag on it. I would like to see something around like a Mustang GT price range. Maybe high 30s, mid 40s. So we'll see. Please, Toyota, don't throw a $150,000 price tag on this. Leave that up to Honda. We all want to see the Supra make a comeback. So, all right, we're gonna check out everything else that's over at this this Toyota showroom. But this might do it. I got to get back to the airport here in a little bit. Got a nice long 10-hour flight. The whole thing, everything's made out of wood. Minus the rubber on the tires, obviously, and the metal trimming, but that's crazy. Oh, this is nice. They have a little Special Olympics exhibition set up. Gotta love Tokyo. Gotta love Tokyo. And this is probably my favorite supercar. I just love the sound of the exhaust in the LFA. The size of these wheels. Cool. I think that's gonna do it. So Toyota owns Lexus, but Lexus made the LFA. Yeah.
I didn't know Toyota owned Lexus.
Yep. A little bonus footage so y'all can see what a pet store looks like in Japan. For all the animal lovers out there.